तुमकां खबर आसा हांवें मुगे जमीन दिल्ले तेन्ना कोरजुवे गांवांत क्रेमेटोरियमा सायडीन म्हणला पॉलिटिक्स केले थिंगा तुम पळयात चिकोलना गांवांत आसात तुमी पंचायतीन गांवांत MRF शेड सायडीन आहा नेक्स्ट टू द क्रेमेटोरियम व्हडलो कोणें ऑब्जेक्शन हाडना बास्तोरा वस्तू ऑपोजीट द क्रेमेटोरियम MRF शेड घायला इनॉग्रेशन केलां आतां आनी कोणाचें ऑब्जेक्शन ना आमचे येता तेन्ना ऑब्जेक्शन हाडपाचें आतां आमी शेड घायला थिंगा मागीर हायकोर्टान हे लोकांनी कंप्लेन घायला शेड यूज करनात म्हूण मागीर शेड म्हणला यू हॅव टू हॅव अ परमनंट शेड आतां एक पक्युलॅरिटी आमची आल्दोनचे कम्युनिदाद 2 कम्युनिदाद आहात सो एक कम्युनिदान NOC दिलो तो फाटी गेलो दुसरी कम्युनिदान आमकां NOC दिलो पंचायतीक दिला सो द पंचायतीन परमिशन मागून सगळे मागून he has applied. Meantime, the panchayat is facing contempt proceedings. Please understand this. So because they are facing contempt proceedings, they have to comply with the direction of the High Court. So they have done it. Now people are trying to politicize it, communalize it by trying to say Deoda. How far is the Deod? Tum khabar asa lagin na te. It is far away. Even here in Panjim, you know, the crematorium is next to common wall with the MRF shed. Think I na problem. So here it is all politics. You understanding? And I believe that there are forces who are at work. There are ex-people who are not in the seat now. So they are not happy that panchayat is working because ata High Court and Swadhya stay dila panchayatiche. That no construction licenses and files will be passed. Loka taras jata. And I don't interfere in panchayat functioning, let me be honest with you. But if there is something which is illegal, I will stop it. But if panchayat is doing something in accordance with law, we have to stand with it.